Well, sure is nice to really be on the ice rink, though. Maybe just one day, I'll just become an ice skater. And possibly, I could transform into a sailor guardian as well. I just really wish I could, though. Huh? Those ice skates actually look some kind of a cyan-like color. I'll just put them on just in case. Alright. Got them on. Well, I guess I'll just give it a shot, I guess. I'm thinking I have this feeling that the energy is just flowing towards me. I think I know what's about to happen. Lizard power. The power of the blizzard. Feels so good. Oh yeah. I'm now Sailor Blizzard. No way. Did I just do all this? I guess this actually fits well for me. Maybe I'm kind of happy with this. Yeah. I actually like this new form, actually. Well, maybe a little ice skating should be able to work out with this kind of form. Well, I guess I can just give this a shot, I guess. Well, here goes nothing. Yeah. Should be fun now. My gosh. This is gonna be fun. Now I don't have to worry about that anymore. It's just me, by myself, and this ice rink. I think this should fit well for me. Once I get to the use of this, I should be able to just become better at ice skating. I could just get used to this. Yeah. Guess this fits well for me. I gotta say, this is not that bad after all. I knew it had it in me. That should fit well for me. Woodliner, what in the world's going on? Oh my gosh! What's going on with you, Woodliner? Jealous? Never thought to see that coming, didn't you, Woodliner? You just became a Sailor Guardian? Just like me? Yeah. I'll just get used to this somehow. Literally. I guess so.